Hello and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. I have a fabulous video today and it is a client reveal and a remodel. I just want to take you guys through this home. It is a smaller house. I have several requests to do some content for smaller homes and this would be the start of it. So what you're looking at now is the kitchen, which was super dark. I want to walk you through some of the steps that I took to remake this home, give it a revision. The cabinets remain the same and I painted out the cabinets to white. I did move some things around. Opened up an area back in that left corner. There was a wall and she just said it was not conducive for family living. Here's a before of the front part of the kitchen and you can see that wall where the microwave is. That's the wall that we took down. I switched out the tile around the fireplace area, added a wine cooler to the end of the island. So remember that island before was a double height island. So for me, it just takes away extra space that's needed. Flattened out the surface, enlarged the island, and opened up the wall. Now she can actually cook in the kitchen, see what the kids are doing, or converse with individuals that are in the dining room area.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby.
What did we do with the microwave? We put it on the opposite side of the island. Just painting out the kitchen cabinets to a bright white, it opened up that space. It's no longer dark and it just turned out perfect. Now there's a view straight out to the backyard. You can cook in the kitchen area and get beautiful views of the pool and spa. This is the dining room where the chairs, dark table. We switched out the table, added new chairs, kept it very comfortable and light. Gave her some transitional, almost contemporary style lighting. The buffet serving area was part of the original, so we kept that. Just changing out some of the dated furniture gave this space the open concept that she was looking for. Now this family room was a different story. Before, it wasn't really an area that was designated for television. It was TV, it was piano lessons, exercise room, and it just wasn't very conducive for entertaining or having friends over, even adult company. So we switched everything out, gave a nice fresh paint of white even on the ceiling, brightened up the space, made it look a lot more modern, updated, added in all of the warm colors, the yellow, the brown, the grays. 2 different tones of gray is used for this project. Love the way it turned out. Now we took the sectional out, which was far too large for the space, and it was a dated oversized, I call it Mr. Bear furniture. Added 4 additional seats. The wall art before was way too small. It's a large vaulted ceiling, so the wall art needed to be large so that it can match the circumference of the room. Since this is a general area, the cocktail table needed to be extremely sturdy to handle wear and tear with kids, traffic, toys, boys, hangouts after school, and this table fit the bill. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. When we get to the outside, we transformed her outside into a backyard oasis fit for any entertainment level. Leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part of the video. If you were inspired by the video, how were you inspired? What tips or tricks that you can use for your own space? Until next time, make every day a great day.
You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Baby, you wanna stay tonight. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care, nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe, need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way, I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control, Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Baby, you wanna stay tonight. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we
If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.